Yep, so I think we're live. Yeah, we're live. So Arushi and Kaushal, you guys can start. Just keep it okay. Yeah, before we begin. So Shubham, just so everyone, until we give you a cue, turn your cams off. And okay. So yeah, I think we can start.
A warm and a pleasant day to all of you. Today, I, Arushi,
And I, Kaushal,
on behalf of the Computer Society of India, welcome you to Devspace 2022, our annual flagship event. Devspace is one of the largest hackathons being conducted in South Asia for over a decade. We know that all the participants are eagerly waiting for the event to start. So without further ado, we will begin with the events as there's a lot to be experienced over the next 36 hours.
Devspace has become a reality under the leadership of the Vellore Institute of Technology. VIT Vellore, rated among the top 10 engineering colleges in India, has acted as a backbone for establishing Devspace and taking it to the new levels of success. Bringing together over 60 countries and all 29 states, VIT is home to over 35,000 students, helping them incarnate their dreams. Chasing dreams becomes a reality at VIT, the vast number of technical and educational opportunities provided.
VIT was founded with the objective of providing high-quality international standard education and is always on the lookout for implementing new ways to improve. With students from all across the globe, the atmosphere here is highly cosmopolitan. The outstanding faculty members here have the ideal combination of expertise and knowledge, and they motivate us to achieve new heights. VIT's international standards in the domains of education and research inspires us to continue striving for greatness.
We would like to thank our Chancellor, Dr. G. Vishwanathan, Vice President, Mr. G.V. Selvam, Vice Chancellor, Dr. Ram Babu Kodali, and Pro Vice Chancellor, Dr. S. Narayanan, for their timeless support.
We would also like to express our gratitude to Dr. C.D. Naidu, Director of Student Welfare, Dr. Sudhakar N., Assistant Director of Student Welfare, all the Student Welfare Directors, and the entire department. We're also very grateful to our Dean of Scope, Dr. K. Ramesh Babu, faculty coordinators, Professor Sendil Kumar K.S. and Professor Govinda K. for their unwavering commitment and dedication.
The Computer Society of India, VIT, is a non-profit student organization which brings together some of the best designers, developers, and tech enthusiasts who collaborate and organize various events, workshops, and hackathons every year. The motivation of pushing technology forward and fostering a community of tech enthusiasts.
We host a number of events throughout the year that cover a wide range of themes. Our annual Capture the Flag event, which drew over 2,700 people from over 20 nations in July 2020, was a huge success. Riddler, our exhilarating cryptic hunt, had over 1,200 international participants racking their brains. Clickbait, an introductory design workshop. Code Golf, a fun competitive coding challenge, and Intro to Web Design were the events we held at Gravitas.
A huge thank you to all of our sponsors for their support and for providing opportunity to a large body of students and developers to grow and exhibit their technical talents. We appreciate the support of our title sponsor, Experion Technologies, our Web3 partners, Witnet, Ocean, and Synthetics, our diamond partners, Athena, CloudSec, and Motork, and finally, our gold partners, Symbol AI and Speron.
We now call upon Shubham Panda, Chairperson of the Computer Society of India, VIT Vellore, to say a few words.
Good morning, everyone. I extend a warm welcome to everyone present in this session. It is my honor as Chairperson of Computer Society of India, VIT, to address you all on this occasion of our annual hackathon Devspace. I'm very proud to present the exciting array of events we have for you this weekend. Before we begin, I'd like to thank coordinators Sandil sir and Govinda sir for their invaluable contributions to making Devspace happen. I'd also like to thank the Director of Students Welfare, Nigel sir, and the Assistant Director of Students Welfare, Sudhakar sir, for their help. Devspace has been a hub of innovation and creation for years, and the absence of a physical presence is no hindrance this year. As ever, we look forward to seeing exciting solutions to relevant issues facing the world Coordinating Devspace in this virtual platform has been a unique challenge, and despite the difficulties faced hosting it virtually, we are pleased to see it become a summit for people to share their ideas. I sincerely thank all our sponsors once again and our collaborators from MLH for being a part of our journey. I would like to wish everyone the best of luck for our hackathon. We hope you enjoyed Devspace and have an absolutely amazing time.
We related to collaborate with MLH, Major League Hacking, for the very first time, and are looking forward to having a fruitful relationship ahead. Now we welcome Shubham Upadhyay, the Hackathon Community Manager for the APAC region at MLH. Over to you.
Hello, everyone. Let me know if you can see my screen. Can you all see my screen?
Yes, it's visible.
Awesome. Well, hello, everyone. Welcome to Devspace. We are so happy to be here with you today. And my name is Shubham, and like they mentioned, I'm the Hackathon Community Manager here at PG League Hacking. And I have been into this community space for about 4 years and have been supporting hackers ever since. Catch me on Twitter at the mentioned handle, and MLH also will be active through all the socials throughout the weekend. Keep an eye out for interesting updates. So what I'll be doing here is I'll be going over live information over these slides. In case if you miss something, that is totally okay. Everything you need can be found out on this website. So don't worry about it. So what is Major League Hacking and who are we and what do we do? So Major League Hacking is a global hacker community that consists of hackers from all across the globe, North America, Europe, Asia Pacific region. And our mission is pretty much simple. We are here to empower hackers. And all of you who are participating today are now belong to a larger community of over 135,000 global hackers. That is, again, insane. And remember just being here at Major League Hacking events, everyone is earning points for their schools and colleges. And I mean, this is throughout the season. Make sure you do tell your friends and, ask them to join you next time, because the more folks you have from your community, the more points your college is going to earn. And I mean, obviously, it's just not about the points in the season rankings. So the next 36 are totally going to be jam-packed with various things. We'll have the legendary MS Bob Ross at 1 p.m. Do check out the MLH announcements channel. And I mean, we definitely have all the resources you need. So now what I'll be doing is I'll be, covering the prizes which will be active through the weekend. So DSO is official Web3 sponsor for Major League Hacking. And I mean, DSO is definitely a short form for decentralized social. And it is the first blockchain custom, which is built to scale social media applications. So what you have to do out here is you have to build anything anything somewhere around this. And make sure, if you are looking for a documentation or anything, I'll just be here for a few seconds. Probably you can take a screenshot and you can find everything over there. And now moving on to the next prize, we have Twilio, who's sponsoring the most creative use of Twilio prize category. And what you have to do out here is you have to use any Twilio API to build a hack for your chance to win. Now moving ahead, we have Auth0 as one of our partners. So Auth0, like you all know, it's an authentication and authorization service platform. What you have to do is you just have to implement a sign-in process to your hack. And I mean, you definitely have not have to spend an hours of coding to qualify for this price category. And we also have Coil as one of our partners, who is who's sponsoring the Monetize Your Hack price category. And Coil is a web monetization platform that enables web developers, to earn points from the website traffic. So I mean, yeah, you can find all the details mentioned in here and hackp.ac/coil. And don't worry about it. I'll be sharing the slides with you, so you can definitely go over these. And now moving ahead, we have a GoDaddy registry. So make sure you have the weekend code, and I'm sure you would have received the weekend code in your emails also. And what you have to do here is you have to get started at www.tech.study, and you can sign up with free domains which are mentioned as .co, .biz, .us, .study, or .courses, and you get a free domain name for 1 year. And the price category for here, this would be best domain name for GoDaddy registry. And then moving on, we have Linode, which allows you to accelerate, innovation with their simple and affordable and accessible Linux cloud solution services. You can host a static website, stand up a server, or host a custom domain name. And there is a lot what like you could do out there by using Linode. And and like in case if you want to see all these again, they are definitely available on Devspace, like the page for the dev post page. Okay, I am so sorry about it. It's DevFolio, it's dev post page for Devspace. Yeah. Now moving ahead, so everyone who demos, like I would definitely encourage each one of you to demo your projects, because each of one who participates and submits a project will get iDemo stickers from our end, and but yeah, and that's really cool. And this is not it. We do have hackathon starters kit. You can check out hackp.ac/learn, and you can definitely find all the details in the GitHub Student Developer Pack, and like whatever you need for the hackathon. And then moving ahead, we have MLH Career Lab, and Career Lab is specifically designed for our hackers. I know, like we know you guys are looking for jobs, and these companies specifically want to recruit hackers. So we have Capital One, Qualtrics, and ABN Bev as one of our partners, who are looking out to hire folks like you. And then we also have MLH Fellowship. So everyone in our community, who's part of the community, is welcome to apply for MLH Fellowship. It's an open source internship with an alternative of over 700 global alumni. The summer program will begin on May 31st. It has already begun. We have Meta and GitHub as one of our partners. And yeah, in case if you have any questions, feel free to drop in an email on fellowship@mlh.io. Folks will be pretty much active there, and they can definitely help you out with that. And well, on a serious note, we just want to ensure MLH hackathons are a safe space for everyone. And by being at this event, I'm sure you are agreeing to the code of conduct, its organizers, sponsors, and the hackers as well. Be respectful to everyone. Harassment and abuses will really not be tolerated. And at digital event, just make sure there's a human on the other side of the computer as well. So they might be busy with something, and they might get a bit late in responding to your text. But yeah, just so you know, guys, we all are here for you. So in case if you have if you feel like something there is some misviolation of anything, feel free to contact on this number and drop in an email or incidents@mlh.io, and we'll definitely help you. We'll definitely help you out. And thanks again to all of our partners. And well, that's gonna be it. And I hope you have an incredible time at Devspace, and would love to see all the incredible projects which you be building this weekend. And yeah, feel free to reach out to me in the MLH queries channel. I'll be pretty much active there. And yeah, that's it. Happy hacking, guys.
Thank you, Shubham, for that informative words. We're sure the participants are just even more excited to take part now. We would like to go over the schedule for some of the highlights of the events. Experion, our title sponsor, would be releasing the tracks in less than an hour. Do look out at our socials to be updated about the same. The problem statements for the tracks will be released at 12 p.m., just when the Experion track hackathon commences.
Today, we've also got Mr. Rahul Sasi, founder of CloudSec, sharing his journey with cybersecurity and entrepreneurship at 2 p.m. Still confused about the prize pool and what all the tracks are about? Don't miss out on the pre-hack live stream that announces the prize pool and explains everything the participants have been eagerly waiting for. Finally, coming to the actual hackathon, the thing that everyone has been most excited about. It commences at 9 p.m. today, and the problem statements will be revealed at the same time. I'm sure all of you can't wait for it to start.
We kick off the following day with an illuminating keynote speech by Experion. Don't miss out on this riveting session. Athena, our diamond sponsor, would also give a talk on data sovereignty. Subsequently, we have another engrossing keynote talk by Synthetics. On the 16th of April, we have fun side challenges laid out to you by MLH. Make sure to participate in the same. Devspace will be coming to an end on the 17th of April at 9 a.m. But that doesn't mean we don't have any more events in store for you. Speron, our gold partner, has an informative workshop planned out for you at 7 p.m. on the very same day.
To stay notified about all updates and to interact with our dynamic Devspace community, make sure to join our Discord server. We will have regular announcements pushed to our server on the various prizes, games, and other interactive activities for you to lighten up your breaks.
Get ready for a Valorant tournament and the plethora of fun-filled games we have planned out for you guys. Stand a chance to win exciting swags by ranking up the game leaderboard. Do check out our Instagram handle at CSI-VIT and put up a story using the hashtag YourSpace. The most creative stories win prizes and get featured on our page.
Finally, the time has come. So without further ado, let's get Devspace underway. Stay tuned for our pre-hack live stream that announces the prize pool and explains everything that the participants have been eagerly waiting for.
We wish the very best to all the participants and hope everyone seizes the opportunity, makes memories, and builds something inspiring over the course of the event. Can't wait to see your ideas and projects at none other than your space, Devspace.